Hey everybody, I'm over at my house and this is Super Bowl Sunday. And we always watch Super Bowl as a family, but I wanted to make sure that today I was able to stay faithful to my carnivore challenge and eat the way I'm supposed to. So I put a little thought to it, because normally, it's a lot of stuff that I would not eat on carnivore diet, what we normally have for it. So I wanted to kind of show you that, yeah, you can, just with a little bit of thought, a little bit of planning ahead, you can make sure you get what you need and still enjoy the fun and the festivities of the event. Take a look at what we got here. All right, so here's some of the things that we got. Now you'll notice that none of this stuff right here, the chips and the things like that, that is definitely not what I'm eating. However, my daughter-in-law bought me some of these nice little munchy pepperoni type stuff. We went out and bought some wings, chicken wings that we have. This is not breading on it, it's just straight skin. Also have some nice roasted chicken breasts that we have. But I also made, and I gotta show it to you, this wonderful, these are my meatballs that I have in there with lots of different seasonings and things, and I used the filling to what do you call that? I can't remember it, but it's definitely all carnivore. Everything's in it, and it's just delicious. So, yep, that's what we got going on. So I just want to encourage you, stay faithful to the thing. Think a little bit, think outside the box, do what you want to do, and enjoy the fun and the festivities of everything. As a matter of fact, I have already gotten my plate. You can see it. Ooh, yep, there it is. I've already eaten a bunch. It's good stuff. All right, take care. God bless you. Stay healthy.